say animal that might well humans. Wet. Wet. You smell food, didn't you? Have a chip. Got some